Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least 30,000 naira for free every day with your smartphone. All you need to do is to come down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys payment proof, and I'm going to show you guys proven tricks which you can use to make this money within 10 minutes. If you are hardworking, in other 10 minutes you should be done and you will collect this money credited to your bank account with zero investment. Okay, all you need to do is to calm down, watch this video. But before I proceed, guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you are hearing my voice or first time you are coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on how to make money online with your smartphone. So if you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online with your smartphone, then all you need to do for you not to miss out is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with money making updates. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. For those of you who will pick interest in joining this platform today, it is when you join our WhatsApp group that is when you will get access, because that is where the registration link has been made available, the registration link of this platform. So make sure you are in our WhatsApp group after watching this video and you want to join this platform to start making money with us. Then go to comment section, join our WhatsApp group so that you can get access. Okay, but please, if you are already in my WhatsApp group, then there will be no need of you joining again. If you are my group 1, please remain there, the link is already there. If you are my group 2, remain there. But if you are not in any of my group at all, then you can join our WhatsApp group so that you can get access to this platform. Okay, now let us go there. The name of this platform is What 365. What 365, what is this platform all about? This platform is actually a lottery site where you can actually play game and then make money. But I don't always advise or recommend people to play lottery games. The reason is because of it is risky, and that is the reason why the one that is free here is the one we are going to talk about. So the one that is free here is that when you sign up, first let me show you how to sign up. When you click on the link in our WhatsApp group, this is how it's going to look like. You will see the option of download. You click download. So when you click on download, it will show you the option where you will see the option again, download again. Then you download the application in your phone. Then when you are signing up, what you're going to use in signing up is your Gmail account. Please take note. You will see the option of phone. You see the option of Gmail. Then click on Gmail. That's click on Google. When you click on Google, then you automatically sign up with your Google account to this platform. Okay. Then when you sign up to this platform, then you will see this place here, free 30,000 naira. Click on it. So when you click on this 30,000 naira now, how do you get this money now? That is the main point, and that is the reason why I am going to show you guys the tricks which we can use to make this money. As of last year 2024, this platform, they came as slot cash. As of I was among those who benefited, and now this year again they came back as what 365. So you have opportunity. In fact, I have benefited from this platform. If I have not benefited from it, there is no way I will post about it, guys. Okay, it is legit and it is 100% free. So now for you to get this 30,000 naira here, this is what we are talking about. How do you get it? Now this is how you are going to get it. You are going to loot. Loot simply means creating multiple accounts under yourself. This is what you are going to do. You are going to create different Google Gmail accounts. Gmail account. You're going to create different Gmail accounts. Then when you click on withdrawal, you see this place here, copy link. Click on copy link. This is the link you're going to see in our WhatsApp group. So when you copy this link to your WhatsApp group, you have 29 days to complete and withdraw this money. So maybe you should create like 10 Gmail accounts. With 10 you should be confused, because what you're looking for is 175 naira to complete this money, and then you can now withdraw it. So once you complete this money, that is when you can withdraw it. It is only when you invite your friends or you loot. So for those of you who don't know how to invite friends, that's what I say you can loot. Loot simply means when you copy this link now, you will not delete the application from your phone, and then you paste it on your browser again. When you paste it on your browser again, it will ask you to download the app again. Then you select Google again, and then you use the new Gmail. That is how you will be doing it. And then please make sure you know your main account. You know your main account, because it is your main account you'll be registering the other Gmail on that. Then once the money is complete, now when this money is being given to you, they might ask you to play game with it. Please take note. They might ask you to play game with it, because I'm talking out of experience. As of last year, when they gave me this money, they asked me to play game with it, and I played game with it. And when I played game with it, the money cut off 28,000 instead of 30,000. So luckily, you might receive the money. You might see the withdraw option. Luckily, or fortunately, you may not see it. You may not see it. What you will see there, they will ask you to play game. So the money will be credited to your dashboard here. You will see it, and then when you come to wallet, this is where you can now come and withdraw it. You can see the withdrawal option here, and then you cannot withdraw that 30,000 naira at once. You either place it 10,000. Okay, see it here. You can even withdraw it before you can withdraw it at once. So you click on here, you click here to add your bank details. This is where you add your bank details here. So you can see this option here, this one here. You enter your bank details here, then you can see it here. So that's where you select it onto this place to select it. Then you enter the account number here. Then you enter your bank name here. Enter your bank name here. So that is how to do it, guys. So when you enter, you click on save. So once you save it and then you place your withdrawal, the money will be paid to your account. Now when they ask you to play game with it, you can select any of these games. Please do not deposit on this platform. This is Legit Boss laying a disclaimer. Do not deposit on this platform, guys. I repeat, don't deposit. What we are after is the free money. Take note. What we're after is the free money. So do not deposit, because if you deposit to play these games, you may end up losing your money and you may end up gaining it. So that is the reason why it is not advisable to play lottery games, because if you play lottery games, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, just like gambling. And that's the reason why I will not advise anybody to do that. Okay, so all you need to do when you register, you just click on this free 30,000 naira here, copy your link. So guys, take a look at your screen. You can see payment proof. That's payment proof you can see on your screen. So this platform is legit and paying. Like I said, as of last year they came as slot cash. Now this year is what 365. So you can participate and then make cool cash for yourself for free. Okay, so if you are not in our WhatsApp group, if you are interested in joining this update, I've already told you guys how you can actually go about it. All you need to do is to loot, create different Gmail accounts, use it to refer yourself, and then complete this 30,000 naira, collect it, cash it out for free, no investment, all for free. Okay, so that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And then if you have another question, the comment section is widely open for you. You can comment below. I'll be there to reply you. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with others, because some people don't know that they can actually make money online with your smartphone. But by you sharing this video, you'll be creating awareness that people can actually generate money online with their smartphone. I'm a living testimony. All the money I'm making today is from online, so we can all make this money online for free, no investment. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss.